Alright, welcome back. It's been a couple of days. We've been absolutely flat out at work and I haven't had a chance to upload anything. On the spicy potato here, he's pretty keen to get into it, but as you can see, he is a ball of energy. Heel. Yes. 3. He is ready to work. Yes. Nice, buddy. Good boy. He does have an off switch. It is there. Heel. Yes. Good. Yes. Heel. Yes. Oh, you missed it. How on earth did you miss that mouth? How? How is that possible? Ahem. You get cobwebs all over you. How'd you manage that? That's very clever. It is. Down. Wrong. Down. So we're just going to push the time out a little bit. Just let him settle. Doesn't affect down. Doesn't it? No. Wrong. Down. It did not affect you at all, did it? No, you just been a dick. Yes. How about I get it? Get your face there. Oh my goodness. I'll get a carpet square for you. How about that? You can lay on that. Good smells on that, doesn't it? It does. Juke. Down. Down. Juke. Down. Here. Wrong. Back here you go. Down. Good. Down. Good. Good. Back up you go. Down. Good. Yes. Good boy. Come. Heel. Heel. Worry about them. Mr. Distractible today, aren't you? Yes. Oh my goodness. Mr. Distractible. I think that was our new neighbours. Which is a shame because we really like the old ones. Didn't we? We did like the old ones. You're a clever little shit, aren't you? Sit. Sit. Yes. Sit. Yes. Good. Yes. Down. Sit. Yes. Good. Oh, terrible catch. Was very cheeky. Back on your mat. Good. Down. Sit. Yeah, good boy. Back on your mat. Good. Oh, sorry, got stuck. Down. Sit. Oh, that was a big bounce. Let me just make sure that we're actually getting this so we can see. Yeah, we can see you, Matt. Come on. Oh, I'm tied up. I'm tied up. I'm hung up. Back on your mat. Sit. Yeah. Good. Sit. Yeah. Good. Down. Yes. Good boy. Sit. Yes. Should go back on the mat. You'll get more there. Sit. Good. Sit. Yes. Come on, get him. Come on. Little firebrand, aren't ya? Hooey. Down. Yeah, boy. Sit. Yeah. Good. Down. Back on your mat. Oh my goodness, you're a cheeky little bugger, aren't you? Down. Yes. What were you trying to bite? The air. Sit. Yeah, boy. Sit. Good. Almost. We'll work on that catching skills, hey? Sit. Yes. Down. Yes. Back on your mat. Quickly. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Yes. Good boy. Down. Boy. Sit. Yeah. Oh, hadn't you finished the first one? Sorry, my bad. Excuse you. Sit. Dope. Come on, quickly. Back you go. Down. Boy. Quickly, back you go. Onto your mat. That's very cheeky. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Nice buddy. Nice buddy. Back. Back. Boy. So you can see it's pretty basic. It's a very simple procedure. Hand signals are very simple. People overcomplicate it. It's just a different language. So to get him to sit, I'm going to use a raised arm, and then I drop the food from the height. So what he does, he actually follows the hand up. And likewise, when I want him to go down, I point down, He goes down in that direction and he gets fed at that level. Just a different communication style. Down. Back. Oh, you missed it. You did, you missed it. Boy. Oh, Speedy Gonzales around here, aren't they? Hey? It's a bloody road, not a racetrack. Idiots. We're all young drivers. Let's go with that. We weren't young and stupid, were we? Wow. When I was old enough to be young and stupid, there was no video cameras around like this, like on phones. What's it, buddy? You're very interested in something over there, so we're going to stop it. You're going to face this way. Thank you. Good boy. God, I love this dog. You are an absolute ripper, aren't you? Sorry if you can see my butt crack. That's getting pulled down by the tree pouch, isn't it? Oh, in the eye. Sorry, you weren't expecting that, were you? Oh my goodness. What's going on with your catching today? Down. Good. Sit. Sit. Yes. Good. Very good. So I'll turn that around the other way so that you can see what I'm doing. Back on your mat. Good boy. Good. I don't have my clicker with me, so we can't use clicker. Oof. Sorry. Didn't realise you kicked it 10 foot backwards. Back on your mat. Bounced it off your teeth on your mat. All the way back on your mat. Yeah, nice, buddy. Back on your mat quickly. Or it gets the hose. Just kidding. Yeah, good boy. Oh, there he goes. Back on the mat. Quickly. Back on the mat. Down. Sit. Good. Down. Sit. What are you smelling? You got something good, haven't you? Hey? Good. Down. Yeah, boy. Sit. Yeah, nice. So just to give him a little bit of help there, just with a little pop on the lead. And the reason why I can tell he doesn't quite understand exactly what it means. Sit. That's a lazy lay down anyway. Sit. Yes. So we're going to need to fade that out fairly soon. So, wrong. Wait. Back on your mat. Good. Thank you. Good boy. Come. Good. All right, let's start working backwards. What do you reckon? Hey? Yeah, there you go. Good boy. Nice, buddy. Simple. Is there anything you can't do? Hey? Wrong way. This way. Yeah. Oh, you missed it. Sorry, it's a tangle of leads. Good boy. You get your eyes on my neighbour, do you? Do you? Oh my goodness. Back. Good boy. Nice, buddy. Nice, buddy. It's a big session, isn't it? Back. Back. Good dog. You just headbutt me right in the dick. Thanks, mate. Is it like a sign of affection for back? Back. Kinda. Should I be headbutting you in the balls or no? Back. Good. They are fake reindeer. They are absolutely nothing to worry about. Juke. Go. Back. 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 Yeah, buddy. Good boy. Nice. It's fake reindeer, mate. When the sun goes, well, you can see the lights on now. When the sun goes down, you can see them light up. Yeah, like a Christmas tree. Yeah. Who'd have thunk it? Back. Good. Nice. Nice. You're a clever little booger, aren't you? What about them? Oh, there's a gnome as well. Yeah, you better watch out. Oh, not a gnome, an elf. Christmas is over. Hey? Come on. Concentrate. I know, concentrate. Back. Back. Yeah, good boy. Back. Back. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Nice. Are we wearing you down a little bit? Sit. You're trying to see around me, are you? Down. Heel. Yeah. Oh, you purpose. Stinky boy. Stinky boy. Oh my goodness. Here. Okay, that'll do ya, hey? Are we done? I think we're done. You look like you're done. All right, that is day, what are we? 8, I think, thereabouts. I'll have a look. Anyway, be up on YouTube. Hey? Righto, let's go. No, you can't over there. See you tomorrow.